Hello and welcome to another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name is Mel and today I have the newly updated tool Twinkl Create to share with you. Google twinkl.com.au. Under the search box, click on the orange pencil Create. Twinkl Create has been updated to save you more time, add a personal touch, access to Twinkl illustrations, and it's even easier to use. The opportunities are endless. You can create your own labels, handwriting sheets, posters, storyboards, or even roll and read games. To create your resource, click Start Creating Now. The toolbar has resource types, My Resources, Twinkl Resources that you can edit, Twinkl templates that you can edit, and your saved designs. Today I'm going to demonstrate how easily you can create your own Christmas themed word map. We are going to click on Resource Type and select Word Map. Select the template that you are after. You can edit your title by clicking on Title. I'm going to call this Christmas. You can change your font. All the state fonts are available. I'm going to select Victoria because I'm from Victoria. You can change your font size, underline, change colour, or the position of your text. Now I will insert my images. Click on Images on the left hand side. You can select from the Twinkl prepared images. They are beautiful illustrations, or search the web. We are going to use the Twinkl ones today. I am going to search for a Christmas tree. Click on the image that you like. You can change the size, drag it to where you like. Now that all the images and text are completed, we can change the background. Click on Background. Select from a range of patterns or images. I will select the star pattern. You can change the scale. You can change the color of your background. You can even change or add a border. And there you go. All you need to do is now add a title to your resource. I will name this as Christmas Word Map and then click Save. And now download your resource to print as you like. This has been another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next time for some more Twinkl tips.